Hi programmers. So let's solve this Leetcode problem, which is a valid anagram. So what is the meaning of anagram? First of all, we'll understand that one. Okay. So anagram is a word which should match its letter to another word. So for example, we have an string called anagram, and we need to check each letter whether each letter of this particular S string should come into different word interchangeably, doesn't matter. So for example, we have a 3 times over here, that a should come 3 times in the different t string, and that's how we need to solve it. If we found exact number of strings or letter, I would say, in the different string, we are saying that output equal to true, else we just need to send false. If you see different examples, we have S and T, different string. S has rat and T has car. So we have R over here, we have R over here, that's fine. We have A over here, we have A over here, but we don't have T in the second string, so this is not an anagram. Okay, so how we can solve this particular problem? Okay, so basically we need to count how many times we are getting each number in each string. Okay, so first of all, let me create a counter over here. Let's say S counter in a string. Same I'm gonna create over here with for T. Okay, now over here I'll be looping it. Let me copy this over here in the terminal, and then we'll try do it over here. Okay, for char in string, I'm gonna save everything like s dot counter. Whatever the character I'm getting, I'm trying to increment that counter by 1. So first of all, what is the meaning of this one? It by default set that string to 0 if it isn't found, and then we are incrementing that value to 1. Okay, and next thing what you have to do, this is done for the first one. Okay, now same thing we have to do for T counter. And if I try to print those things, for example, let's print just as counter, and I'm gonna print T counter. Now if I try to print solution equal to solution, and then over here I'm gonna pass anagram, and those strings over here I passed it and run it. Now see, I got A 3 times, N 1 time, G 1 time, R 1 time, and M 1 time. So A 3 times we got it. So here we got A 3 times, that's fine. N we got 1 time, that's fine. G we got 1 time, that's fine. R we got 1 time, M we got 1 time. So that's it. That's how we need to just check it. So for here I'm gonna do like return S underscore counter equals to T dot T underscore counter. So I'm just checking whether those lengths are matching, everything, like all the I would say all the counters are matching now or not. So if I print it, for example, I don't know. Okay, so let me go and print like this and then hit it. So we got true value. Now we have rat. If I'm printing rat over here and cat over here and save it, it is telling false. So that's how we can do it. But let me copy this and try pasting it over here, and so run it. Yeah, we got all 2 cases passed. If I submit it, yeah, we beat almost okay, so we got like we beat 70% people over there. That is 18 millisecond. But the thing is that, see, I don't like that big solution. There will be a clear solution, right? So I have to counter each and everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use one beautiful collection that is called from collections. I'm gonna import directly counter. So basically it's simple. I don't want to return anything, like don't have to do those many things. I'm just writing like counter of S and counter of T. So if I print over here to show you what it looks like, then you will understand. So if I'm printing here, see this one, we got R. How many times? We don't have R over here, so anagram, So you see over here we got 3 times, but we got a over here. I'm just mislinked that one. Anagram like this. If I'm printing now, this is true. So we have a 3 times, we have n 1 time, we have g 1 time, we have r 1 time, we have m 1 time. So it's so simple. So instead of that one, I'm gonna just return this one line and let's see what we get. So here I'm just printing this. Now try to run. We got that one. Now if I'm hitting this one, see this one. So we got 23 millisecond, but that's fine because just wanted to show you that how we are saving the memory. Last time that like we got the memory not 96, I think so. Let me check how much we got the memory. If I'm hitting it, 82% memory. So the memory which we are saving over here, which is much bigger, so like this. Okay, now what if I just sorted of s equal to sorted of t. We can do that one as well. So here if I am hitting this and submitting, see we got just 40% because we are sorting it and then we're checking each and everything. So best solution is counter and then counter. Now if I hit it, see this one, 96%, and that's how you can achieve your goals. Yep, if you do like, please do like, subscribe, and do let me know if you have any question. Your like makes a lot of difference for me, so please do like, guys, please do like. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. See you around.